Assalamu alaikum. As you are knowing, today is a special day because it's a Friday. I have chosen to do something unique today. I am going to make 3 meals. So let's head to the market. In the market, there are crowds everywhere and fresh veggies have arrived. Let's go to a non-vegetable area. Look at how big this squid is. However, it smells bad. I bought some squid, then I get a cow Botti. Look at those Botti, how he sliced and cleaned, mashallah. I have 3 chickens, which I have divided in half. I also added 2 tablespoons of yogurt and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Keep things separate. Then I took 1 onion, 2 tomatoes, ginger and garlic. Make a paste out of it by blending it. See the paste. Then add the paste to the chicken along with 1 tablespoon of each. Salt, cumin, and chicken curry powder, and mix it well. And place the chicken that we prepared and bake it in a sizable pan or oven. Now for the squid, I clean the squid and boil it in a turmeric mixture. Next, add the masala, which consists of 1 tablespoon each of it: salt, red chili powder, gram masala, and 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, and mix it well. Add a little oil to a sizzling pan. Then add our squid to the pan for a minute. Do a saute. And take the squid from the pan. Then in the same pan add a little more oil, onions, tomatoes, garlic, green peas, half a tablespoon of cumin powder, a pinch of salt. After a short while, wait before added the squid. Then wait 3 minutes. Then add some curry leaves before turning off the heat. I put 1 tomato, 1 onion, and 1 red pepper in a blender and grinded them. Then I put the paste in the same pan with a little extra oil and waited for it to cook. In the meantime, I had already boiled and cleaned the botti and then cut it into little pieces. Add 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of red chili, and 1 tablespoon of garam masala. Now moving on to our saute. When the color changed to gold, add the potato mixture and mix them well. And after waiting for 5 or 6 minutes, turn off the heat. We are done the 3 meals. Finally, friends, for the rice, I added 2 Maggi soup cubes. If you have liquid broth chicken, it's fine, you can use it. And 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 red pepper, around 100 grams of green peas, and parsley leaves. I am going to saute an onion while the rice is cooking. Using a small sizzling pan, add a little oil, put 2 onions and saute it until golden. Once our rice was finished cooking, we added fried onions. Friends, this step is not necessary, but this will enhance the flavor. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share, comments, and like. Have a good day.